Hello everybody, Bowling Green BMX here with a bike check on my 2010 DK kvant. Since the last bike check I have painted it orange and green. I like it. So here we go. It's got salt cranks, profile racing bearings, Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Got alienation PBR on the back, generic hub, generic pegs on front and back, generic front wheel, Kenda tires, DK bars, DK forks, DK frame, DK stem, kink, fork bolt, duo Corey grips. They're really nice and comfortable. I have a DK seat. I have a kink. Damn it! Scratch my paint. I have a kink seat post, running brakeless, but I am getting brakes soon. I have a, I think it's profile, I'm not sure, hub guard. Let me look real quick. Hold on, let me get my bike to stand still. It's a Primo hub guard, and I got that today. I got the pegs today, and I got a Shadow half link chain today, which is on there. And I have a Demolition 27 tooth front chain wheel, and I have a 9 tooth driver on the back. I have I think they're they're Mission headset bearings, and that's actually a Mission fork bolt, not a kink. But yep, that's my bike. Bye.